In 2024, a plethora of AI tools caters specifically to the needs of entrepreneurs. Here, we highlight 10 essential AI tools that every forward-thinking business owner should consider integrating into their operations. Chatbots for customer engagement. Tools like Drift, Intercom, and MiniChat utilize AI to power chatbots that enhance customer engagement. These bots can handle inquiries, provide product recommendations, and even facilitate transactions. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also frees up valuable time for entrepreneurs to focus on core business activities. Sales forecasting with Salesforce Einstein. Salesforce Einstein leverages AI to analyze historical data, customer behavior, and market trends to generate accurate sales forecasts. Entrepreneurs can make data-driven decisions, optimize sales strategies, and allocate resources more effectively based on predictive insights. Email marketing optimization with Phrasee. Phrasee uses AI to optimize email marketing campaigns by generating compelling and personalized copy. It analyzes language patterns, user behavior, and campaign performance to craft subject lines and content that resonate with the target audience, ultimately improving open and click-through rates. Data analytics with Tableau. Tableau employs AI to enhance data analytics, providing entrepreneurs with actionable insights. This tool enables users to visualize complex data sets, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Integrating AI-driven analytics into business operations can lead to more efficient processes and strategic planning. Financial management with Xero. Xero incorporates AI to simplify financial management for entrepreneurs. It automates tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, and reconciliation, allowing business owners to manage their finances more efficiently. Real-time insights provided by Xero's AI-driven features enable proactive financial decision-making. Social media management using Hootsuite. Hootsuite employs AI to streamline social media management for entrepreneurs. This tool allows users to schedule posts, track engagement metrics, and even suggest optimal posting times based on audience behavior. By automating social media tasks, entrepreneurs can maintain a consistent online presence and reach a wider audience. Human resources optimization with Textio. Textio uses AI to enhance job postings and optimize language for maximum impact. Entrepreneurs can attract top talent by crafting inclusive and compelling job descriptions. This tool analyzes language patterns to ensure job postings resonate with the desired audience, improving the recruitment process. Cybersecurity with Darktrace. Darktrace employs AI to provide proactive cybersecurity solutions. Entrepreneurs can protect their businesses from evolving cyber threats by leveraging Darktrace autonomous response capabilities. The tool detects and responds to potential threats in real time, safeguarding sensitive business data. Project management with ClickUp. ClickUp utilizes AI to enhance project management processes. This tool offers features like automated task scheduling, predictive task completion timelines, and intelligent workload management. Entrepreneurs can optimize project workflows and ensure efficient collaboration among team members. Personalized marketing with Segment. Segment leverages AI to help entrepreneurs create personalized marketing campaigns. By analyzing user data and behavior, this tool enables businesses to deliver targeted and relevant content to their audience. Personalized marketing enhances customer engagement and increases the effectiveness of promotional efforts. In 2024, the integration of AI tools is no longer a luxury but a necessity for entrepreneurs striving to stay competitive and innovative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.